Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the crude price has moved in the last 2 days and how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall is moving in a descending order, but it is quite volatile. Okay, and this volatility, you can see that it has already made a level of around $129.75. Okay, and this particular zone is its all-time high. Okay, and this level has not come since long, but what you have to again understand something, that there is a pattern forming in crude. Okay, and this pattern has started after the pandemic. Okay, when the crude price went to negative, it started moving upside. Okay, as and when it started moving upside, what we have seen, whenever it crosses its previous high, we have seen there is a sharp fall comes. Okay, and this is quite repeated for 4-5 times continuously. Okay, and this was the 6th time it could have repeated, but because of the war situation, we have seen the price was continuously moving down. Okay, and now it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. You can say it's from 3rd week of November. Now it is moving in, till now the price is moving in this zone. Okay, so once this zone break upside, we can see it can go further high, but if the zone breaks downside, then we can see it can fall further low. Okay, so looking at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, before we move forward and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain of this particular level, it can cross a level of $81.24, which is a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can touch a level of $83.24. Once the price sustain of this particular level, it can cross a level of around $86.54. This $86.54, as I have already explained you, that $85.58 is a strong resistance. So once the price sustain of this level, okay, now it is trading at $78.58. So once the price sustain of this level, we can see it can touch a level of $83, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $85.58. This $85.58 is a, once it sustain of this level, this is a strong resistance as of now. So we can see a bounce back can come, but if this level sustain, then chances will be high that we can see the crude price can go further upside, because this is the level. Once sustain, it is quite a good point. So once the price move up this level, it will act as a support, but if it moves below this particular level, then it will act as a resistance. So suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high we can see it can touch a level of $89.77, and it can cross a level of 93.42, which is a weak resistance. So chances of touching $97.88 is there. Once the price move up this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $102.75, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $105. Okay, and once the price sustain of this level, we can see it can move further upside. Okay, now understand something. The price of crude is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, so once the price suppose fall below this particular zone or move out from this particular zone downside, we can see it can touch a level of around $76.78. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, it can cross a level of around $73 and come down, because this is a weak support. So chances of touching a level of $70 is there, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $76.73. After crossing this particular zone, chances are very high we can see it can touch a level of $75.97 to a level of $73.13, and once it fall below this particular level, we can see a level of $70.69. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $67.85. Okay, and once the price fall below $67.85, then only we can see it can fall further low, and a probability of going towards $64.60 is there. Okay, and once the price fall below $64.60, then chances are very high we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $61.36, and from there we can see it can fall further down towards a level of around $58.52, and then further low if the price didn't sustain this particular level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. As of now, we can see till the time it is moving in a particular zone, we can see it can move in this particular zone itself till the time it is not breaking this zone upside or downside. Okay, now understand something. What most people do is that they lose money in trading. Okay, when they trade, what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things. How? Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. That is 1000 to 1500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%. That is $50 to $100. Okay. Now, if you took 5 trades, maximum risk is $500. That is 100 per trade. Okay. Now this 100 per trade, what the main thing is that suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500. Then relax for the day. Okay, what people do, they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. Suppose if somebody did a loss of 3,000, 5,000, they try to recover the same day and then lose their full capital. This is what they do. So I teach how to overcome all these things. So when to trade, when to hedge, when to analyze the market and all these things. Okay, so this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.